Hey mom, I am in trouble. Please send me money. It's urgent. This is not a real voice. This is AI generated voice and attackers are already using it to scam your parents. Attackers do not need hacking skills anymore. They just need few seconds of your voice from social media. So let's understand how do they do it. They collect voice from public platforms, then AI can learn emotions, tone and accent. Then they generate fake calls that sound real. So in this video we are going to see how voice can be cloned using ElevenLabs. So let's start. So first you need to sign up here at ElevenLabs.io. They offer a free tier, but for voice cloning you will need a paid subscription and currently I'm using the creator plan. So first you have to go to clone your voice, and there are certain options like voice design, instant voice clone, professional voice clone, voice remixing. For this session and for this video we will be using instant voice clone. This option, professional voice clone, will give you better results, but it requires at least 30 minutes of clean audio, and the key here is the more audio you have, the better results you will get. So for this video we will use instant voice clone, and I would like to tell you that quality matters. Here you will need clear audio recordings of your voice, and I have already recorded like 6 recordings, 30 seconds each, which means in total I have 3 minutes of myself speaking naturally in a quiet environment. And my tips would be, you should use a decent microphone, eliminate any background noise if you have, speak naturally, do not over enunciate on anything. You can include varied emotions and tones and avoid music or other voices in the record. So here you can drag and drop your audio file, or you can record your audio at this point. So you just have to click on record audio. You can select the microphone, speaker, whatever you're using, and just click on start. It will get started in 3 seconds. So here you can talk whatever you want. I'm recording this audio for educational purposes, and I will use this for my YouTube video where I will be telling how scammers can use voice cloning to scam your parents, to extort some money by mimicking your voice, and how you can take some precautions to avoid this happening with your family. And that is all for my first recording, and you can say this is recorded successfully. You can click this to remove the background noise from audio recordings, and here you can see the green color is not completed yet, because once you provide at least 6 recordings here it will be ready, but it does not mean you cannot proceed further with single recordings. Since I have already recorded the required number of recordings for this video, I will just click on next, and here you can name this as, I already have something like sample voice, but I will put like sample voice 1 here, and since I am talking in English I'll choose English. You can add the description if you want, like for my video. Okay, you have to provide your consent and rights to upload and clone these voice samples, and click on save voice. Once this is done, you can use your voice to generate speech, speak with yourself, narrate a story. For this video we will be using this generate speech option. Okay, so here we are. You can generate a speech from there, or you can just go to text to speech, and here I have already provided the text I want. So I have already written, hey mom, I am in trouble, please send me money, it's urgent. And here you can use the voice you have. So sample audio is something I have already recorded like for 3 minutes, and these are some demo, and this is the one which we have recorded just now. So if I use the sample voice, and since I'm using the sample voice 1 for the first time, it will provide an option to generate speech. Okay, once this is generated, hey mom, I am in trouble, please send me money, it's urgent. Can you hear that? I am not sure if you were able to hear that. So you can, hey mom, I am in trouble, please send me money, it's urgent. Yeah, so this is the audio, which was generated via this text to speech option. Once you are happy with the results you are getting from this audio, you can edit this text and add whatever you want. And once you are done, you can just download this and use it wherever you want. And this is this simple. So voice cloning had some legitimate use cases. So what can you actually use voice cloning for? Like content creators can maintain consistency across videos, audiobook narration, accessibility tools for those who have lost their voice, or voiceovers when you are sick or unavailable. However, with legitimate use cases, there are certain misuses as well. So, scammers can use your clone voice to call your family members pretending to be you in emergency and requesting for money. They can impersonate you in business calls to authorize transactions. They can create fake voice authorizations for banking or financial services. Scams using AI has increased a lot in past few years, so there are some precautions such as do not post raw voice notes, set a family safe word, never send money on urgent calls, always verify on video, and your voice is password in 2026. AI is not the danger, but lack of awareness definitely is. Share this video with your parents. This one share can save someone. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.